What is nosql? It stands for not only SQL, which sometimes gets confused for as literally meaning no SQL. NoSQL uses non-relational databases that have no columns or tables. It is a flexible database for big data. So what is big data? It is a term used to describe data sets that are so large that a traditional method of storage and processing are inadequate. Recently, there has been a big increase in data due to social networks, search engines, and other multi-user platforms such as Facebook or Google. How is data stored? Relational databases require a structure to be predefined. While NoSQL uses unstructured data does not have a predefined data model, and this allows you to put data anywhere. For example, if you had a database of Pokemon with a type such as water, lightning, and fire, you could still add an unknown Pokemon of unknown type and it would still fit into that database. NoSQL still allows you to define structure to data, but this is optional. Relational databases require a certain amount of memory and CPU to run, so as you scale up or get more data, it costs a lot more to upgrade and get more memory and CPU. While for NoSQL, when you scale up or get more data, you can just add more nodes, which are just hardware/machines, instead of upgrading the existing machine. What are the advantages? There is no predefined schema, so when you add data, you don't have to define if it's an integer or a string or whatever. You can add any type of data into it. You can handle unstructured data, which is beneficial when you're unsure of the type of data coming in. NoSQL requires less management as there is auto repair and data distribution capabilities. In case of a failure, the data can replicate itself to the last consistent state. What are the cons? When data is closely related, you may have redundancies in NoSQL which can slow your performance. NoSQL has not been around for too long, so it's not as functional and stable. Not having much support as relational databases is a downside for businesses looking to implement NoSQL databases.